Greetings traveller, Kondaa is an Intamin mega coaster which opened at Walibi Belgium in the summer of last year, and I was recently able to book a last minute trip to the Benelux, and after a late opening and having the ride break down right as we neared the front of the queue, my friend and I finally managed to get a couple of rides on this Anaconda themed roller coaster quite late in the day. So these are my first impressions of Kondaa at Walibi Belgium. Firstly, I have to mention the theming. The ride plaza itself is stunning, with fantastic rock work and ominous spiky wooden fences surrounding the area, with a pond as its centrepiece featuring a slightly threatening statue that oddly reminded me of that thing Reptile emerges from in the first Mortal Kombat movie. The theming is stunning, and while the main queue line and ride area don't offer as much in terms of theming, there are great views to be had of the coaster itself. However, no effort has been spared when it comes to the station building, with hieroglyphics on the walls and overgrowth hanging from the ceiling. You feel like you've stumbled into a spooky old tomb with a genuinely troubling aura. That's until the stunning train enters the station. Undoubtedly one of the most gorgeous coaster trains out there, with an incredible looking zero car coupled with comfortable over the shoulder style lap bar restraints. Once on board, you scale the 125-foot lift hill and descend via the banked drop, which provides the coaster's first moments of airtime, reaching speeds of 70 miles an hour at the bottom of the drop before scaling the first airtime hill. And wow, what insane air this provides, with a solid 2+ seconds of bum off seat ejector, and before you've got time to react, you're hitting the outward banked hill for more crazy ejector airtime. What an absolutely insane start. The non-inverting Cobra roll comes next, a unique element which on one hand is really cool and on the other feels like it slightly hurts the pacing, before a series of turns and a barrage of low to the ground airtime hills complete the experience. This really is a fantastic coaster, and without question joins Europe's elite, offering speed, crazy extended moments of airtime, comfortable, well-presented trains and a great all-round theme. My only regret is that I only managed to get 2 rides, as I easily could have marathoned this thing for hours. Walibi Belgium and Intamin have produced an absolute beauty here, and I strongly recommend you make plans to visit Walibi to experience it for yourself. If of course you haven't already, and if you have ridden Kondaa, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. As with Ride to Happiness, there is only so much I can say with actual words, so why not stick around for an on-ride POV of my very first ride on the wonderful Kondaa. And if you enjoyed the video, drop us a like as it really helps the channel, and if you're new around here, then we'd really appreciate a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and be excellent to each other.
That's high. Looks a lot higher up here.
Yeah, they always do. Quiet version. Oh! Hey! Oh, that's lovely. Hey! Oh! Oh! That was good, that's really good.
That's top tier. Yeah.
That first airtime hill, man.
The last 2 seconds, like,
That was
I've counted at least 2 and I'm over that second overback.
That overback is crazy.